The first product in the EVO curl range is Springsclean. This deep cleaning rinse dissolves product buildup, dirt and excess oil without stripping out natural oils, colour or hydration. Any curl type will benefit from incorporating Springsclean into their routine whenever in need of a deep clean. We've used ingredients like jojoba seed oil and avocado oil to provide curls with much needed hydration and to support the natural curl shape and pattern. Jojoba seed oil also works to reduce frizz and prepare the curls for easier styling. Springsclean comes with a handy nozzle applicator that allows you to apply directly to the scalp section by section. Once applied to wet hair, massage thoroughly and rinse. Repeat if required and follow with a treatment for extra hydration. As someone with wavy hair, I love the gel consistency of the product, and it means the hair stays compacted and you don't get that first day fluff.